Hello, my name is Camilo Abril, and this video is about my favorite artists. In the videos, I am going to tell about my favorite ballads. My favorite genres of music are ballads and specific locked ballads. My favorite bands in the world they are from the and live some like. My favorite song is Björk, I Dog Hype. A group from East Panama, Yucatan. In my own six brothers, 4 boys, and 2 girls. The son brothers Enrique, Carlos, Emilio, Graciela, Armando, and Vince Avila. Beings are will count in the house star. The days to emir to the capital on the country. Hand up which the heart to was all by to exceed. The camps to north on doors they dig no opened to exceed because on the ants. Wheels flunks big and the 6 year on the ones to two hot. The brother one suffers because on the digs the music and green this life rings of Skype fact.